Okay, so today I'm at Kalbarri National Park and I'm going to go on a little bit more of a strenuous hike. It's called a grade 3 hike. So I'm out on my own today. So I'm going to go and do this one on my own. Kids are back home. Krista's looking after the kids. So I'm excited to go out and explore. And like I say, we can do the Z Bend, the river trail. So it's only about 2.5k. So it's a pretty steep one down, and with ladders and different gorges to make your way through. So I'm excited for this. So here we go. I'm gonna go and have a hike. Okay, just making my way through this gap here in the rocks. Certainly wouldn't say this is very kid friendly. Chloe's 5 and Cameron's 2. I certainly wouldn't bring them down here doing this hike. So I know we're a family travel with kids videos, but hey, I like to get out and do some hiking, and this is awesome. So if you're ever here, strongly recommend coming and doing this hike. Okay, made it to the bottom. Now we're along the river. Look at that. That's where we came down from, up there. Just gonna go and sit and chill and read my book. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's a bit warm. Definitely make sure you wear shoes if you come down here. I won't do this in flip-flops. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna start making my way back to the top. I'm going to navigate my way through these giant pebbles. It's ever so interesting looking at these rock formations down here. They really are like giant pebbles. I feel tiny. Everyone seems to have gone home and I'm down here exploring on my own at the moment. All right, we're out, making our way back to the car. That was an awesome hike. Yeah, it's called a grade 3 hike, and it is pretty steep. Lots of ladders to contend with, and rocks and gorges, but getting down to the bottom, it's definitely worth it. I did see a few families with, say, younger kids, so probably 5, 6, 7 years. I wouldn't do it with kids any younger than that personally. It's pretty uneven in places, pretty steep, some steep drop-offs, but totally worth doing. So next time you're in Kalbarri National Park, Western Australia, head out to Z Bend and do the river trail hike. You won't regret it. Beautiful.